Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome all. So we are going backwards from 50 to 1. So I'm going to start with the winner of the 50th place award.
Peter Hu, Kolkata.
Wisteria Deck, JW Marriott, Mussoorie.
Award goes to Gourmet Bar for Novotel Mumbai International Airport.
Mayul, Hyatt Regency, Dehradun Resorts and Spa.
Frontier Mail Nurmala Palace.
Daryaganj, Aero City, New Delhi.
The North Club, Hyatt Regency, Jaipur, Mansarovar.
Helicornia, JW Marriott, Goa. Haiba, Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center.
Kangan, the Western Mindspace, Hyderabad. Highest Centric, Chandigarh.
Saffron Marriott, Jaipur.
In Asia, Sheraton Grand, Bangalore, Whitefield.
Triforni,
Treforni.
Hyderabad.
Number 36, Akina.
La Cucina at the Hyatt Regency, Kolkata.
United Coffee House, Rewind, Nehru Place.
And the award goes to Sana Dilge.
It's Prego, the West in Mumbai.
Nawab Sahib, the Western Mumbai.
May I call upon two very important people here? Zorawar, everybody knows Zorawar, and he's not his better half, but his important half, Dildeep, to come and do the honors now.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Such a pleasure to be here. Very glad to say today, the most populous country in the world and the second highest employer is our wonderful industry. I think that's pretty huge. We also contribute between 2 and 3% to the country's GDP. I'm not going to waste much more time. I see wonderful people in the audience, but I find someone is missing. One important person from all of us, from this wonderful fraternity that we have, that we love and care for. Her latest venture is called Hospitality Hope. And it literally gives hope to hundreds of people. And it's being done pro bono. She's covering all the admin costs. And all she's trying to do is connect great people in the industry to work for great companies that want to work with those wonderful people. I'm talking about the one and only Rashmi Uday Singh. Cheers. We're going to take the cue from Mr. Kunal Vijaykar, and we're going to hurry through as fast as we possibly can to the next set of awards.
Zia at the Fairmont, Jaipur.
Alba, JW Marriott, Bangalore.
Asmana, Ritz-Carlton, Pune.
Spice Traders, Western Goa.
Romanos, JW Mumbai Sahar.
This award goes to Jiran Sofitel Mumbai BKC.
Rivaz from the Ritz-Carlton, Bangalore.
From the Grand Hyatt Gurgaon, Chena Pranzo.
Honk, Pullman, New Delhi.
Ukio, the Ritz-Carlton, Pune.
Kubani, New Delhi.
Punjab Grill, New Delhi, Aero City.
Myung Roy, Radisson Blue Plaza, New Delhi Airport.
Ministry of Crab, Mumbai. The China Kitchen, Hyatt Regency, New Delhi. Sawai Kitchen, Raffles, Udaipur.
Farzi Cafe, Cyber Hub, Gurgaon.
Salini, Grand Hyatt, Mumbai.
Wasabi by Morimoto, the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. Dampukt, ITC Maurya, New Delhi.